Hey friends, my name is Aimee Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out a jazzy little skincare tool that is meant to suck all of the gunk out of my face. So that is why you see me here with my naked face exposed to the world. I don't have an excuse for my hair today and how greasy that is. That was just because I'm lazy. I decided that 2021 is going to be the year that I finally start taking care of my skin and, you know, trying to make my face look decent. I did a little bit of research and I came across this thing, the KINGA Beauty Forever KD 8020 Skin Cleaner. Catchy name, I know. These are everywhere over Amazon and they're really inexpensive. They range from around 20 to 30 pounds, so super budget friendly. I chose this one because it had the best reviews, so I'll link this down below. This is meant to use science, some kind of combination of ultrasound rays and negatively positively charged ions to make your face look better. I mean, I did some research, but clearly I skimmed over the details. It has two functions. One of them is for helping your skin to absorb products, and the other one, which is what I am interested in, essentially forces all of the gunk out of your pores. I got a lot of gunk, I want it gone. Can this do that? Are you ready for this close-up of my face? Okay, so as you can see, I am recovering from a pretty dramatic breakout, but my main concern is the blackheads I have in my chin and my nose. Seriously, these things have been living in my skin for so long that they think they have squatters' rights at this point. So I'm really interested to see if we can finally evict them from my face today. So what I'm going to do first is steam my face for maybe like 10 minutes, just with some hot water and a little bit of tea tree oil, just to open up my pores so they're ready to give up the goodies. And then we're going to try this thing out and see like how much pus comes out of my face. And I know that's disgusting. This video is probably going to be disgusting. I hope it's going to be disgusting, because the more disgusting it is, that means the more gunk has come out of my face. Okay, I've steamed my face looking nice and pink, and I also put a little bit of water on my face because that's what the internet told me to do. Now let's try this thing, so come on in. Ooh. Okay. So this device really isn't very loud in real life, but for some reason it was really messing with my mic, and as I'm editing the video I'm realizing that. So we're just gonna put on some music to cover that up. Ah, it's so gross. I love it so much. This is how much gunk just came out of my chin. Ugh. Okay, now we're going in with my nose. I'm going to put a little bit more water on because I realized as soon as that water started to evaporate and my skin got drier, this was less effective. So we're going to keep it nice and wet. I love this. I love this. This is my favorite thing I've done in forever. I love this. Look at what just came out of my nose. You can tell I'm really enjoying this because I'm not even talking. Like, for once in my life I've shut up and I have nothing to say because I'm just so engrossed in the experience. Oh my goodness. My nose feels so soft. Oh my gosh. For literally about 15 years of my life, my nose, you've been able to feel the bumps with all the blackheads and all the gunk. Like, you could just feel it, like it wasn't smooth. And now it's smooth. It's like a new nose. I love this. I love this. I love this. I wonder if I can get anything out of the pores around my face. I don't get a lot of breakouts there, but I do have big pores here. Maybe something's lurking. Hey, if something's lurking, I'm gonna find it. gunk. There's so much gunk. I didn't even think there was that much gunk, like just around my nose, but apparently there was a lot. Forehead gunk. Ew, 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 ew. That was really, really addictive, and I just kept going back over like my chin and my nose, and I kept getting a little bit more each time, and in the end I just had to say, okay, enough. My face is a little bit pink now, but I think that was because I was really scraping it on into my face, which I don't think you're supposed to do, but I just couldn't help myself. I wanted to get all the gunk out. This is incredible. My face is so smooth. You see that? That is the gunk that came out of my face. I was a little bit nervous trying this out because I heard a few people say that it feels like a little bit of an electric shock and that it kind of not hurts, but it's a little bit uncomfortable. Honestly, for 99.9% of using this, it just felt like a vibration, just like nothing at all, just like tickly on my skin. There was a little few areas where I guess that maybe there was a lot of stuff lodged in there where it felt a little bit more intense, but it didn't hurt. It wasn't uncomfortable. It was just a bit of a strange sensation. Big thumbs up for this facial cleaning wizard device. I think sometimes with things like this, especially stuff that comes from Amazon and is so cheap, you think, is it just some kind of weird crazy fad? No, this actually worked. Okay, so if you guys are looking to get rid of your blackheads and all of the dirt out of your face, this is it. Like I said, I'll link that product in the description box down below. There are loads of them on Amazon, like loads of different makes. If you do decide to go ahead and purchase through my affiliate link, then thank you so much. I would really appreciate that, because that would be an extra like 3 pence towards my next Costa coffee, so thank you. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all soon. Bye!